What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Well, you guys, we are back to Dollaree. It's been a minute since we've been here, and oh look, extended holiday hours, open until 10, Monday through Sunday. That's really, really nice. Right away, I'm seeing something that I need. Open Thanksgiving Day, 8 to 4. Okay. Let's get a cart.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Hi, Jerry.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
I'm making my rounds.
You gotta go back to mine.
I know, I will.
Right.
Nice to see you. That's the new manager to the one location, you guys. You know the one. Okay, I need to get a couple of these. A couple roasters. Yes. You hear him? He's like, hey, you gotta come back to my location. I've never purchased a roaster before. Actually, we have the oval and the rectangular. I don't really know which one I need to get. Maybe I'll just get both for now. Okay, you guys, let's see what's changed in the last week, if anything. Oh, look at the little penguins and the Santa tins. Wrapping paper. Ooh, more new tins. Look, you guys. More new tins. The cute gnomes. We have Merry Christmas. We have the merriest season. We have this one. We have peppermint and candy. I love this one. Oops. Save some cookies for Santa. Super cute. And we have a whole lot of tinsel over here. Wow. A whole lot of tinsel, a whole lot of nutcrackers, top shelf nutcrackers. We have even more tins over here, different shape, but the same print. Little Santa, buffalo check Santa. Good tidings of comfort and joy. That is really cute, super cute. I really like the beads. Super, super cute. Good tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Good tidings of comfort and joy. Name that song. Name it down in the comments if you know what song those lyrics go to. Merry Christmas. All of these are just on a cardboard. The little Christmas trees. So much buffalo check. The cute little campers. The little doors. These are also available at Family Dollar. The little birdhouses. Aww. Those are cute. Speaking of cute, look at these. Are these the hinged ones? No. Oh yeah. Actually, these are the little, I'm glad I looked at this one. Check your hinges, you guys. These are the little hinged boxes. I'm kind of addicted to buying tins every year. Like, this one is so cute. Look at that. Aww, and there's glitter everywhere from this ornament. That is so cute. Oh, I love it. Ballerina. The unicorn. Deer. The big ornaments. I saw a hack on TikTok, you guys. where someone got the metallic balloons. They blew up the balloon about this far and then they popped it into the tree, and that was their hack. And then from a distance, it totally looked like a large ornament. That's so cute. I really like the boxes this year. They're really cute. Hi.
How's it going today?
Good, how are you?
Good. Are we finding everything all right?
Oh yeah, thank
Awesome.
you.
If you need something, give a shout.
Okay, I will. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Gnome for the holidays. Little gnome is so cute to me. We have a little round one too. Aww, hug me. I want to hug him. He's so cute. These ones are so nice. Ooh, wait a minute. Is this a 2-pack? Multi-piece set. Okay, I'm a little confused. I think it's supposed to be 2 to a pack. I think. Did they pull them apart? I think they did. Ooh, these are kind of big. Yeah, those are a nice size. We have smaller ones, really little ones, medium-sized ones. The gingerbread are really cute. Super cute this year. Aww. So cute. We have a couple new towels, pot holders. Oven mitts, the pot holders and the oven mitts that match the plates. You guys know the ones. This mask I'm wearing, I think it might be a little too thick because I'm kind of like struggling. But hey, I'm keeping it on. This one is so cute and little. Look at this. Aww. Love that. So many cute tins. Headbands, hats, necklaces. The little pillows here. The stars. Oh, how cute. The little Christmas tree. I really like that. It's cute. The little gift boxes, good for like bracelets and watches and things. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna start another video, so definitely come back to the very next one. We have a lot more to look at here in Dalry. Yep, you guys, this is the location that I call Dalry. You guys definitely come back, and I'm gonna show you everything that's new for the week. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed hanging out or shopping with me here in Dollar Tree, please consider subscribing and definitely hit that like button. But all right, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.